up the street. I just want you all to hear it. Waking up the street. I just want you all to hear it.
I like to move real close after waking up. Mesmerized by your breathing, how you're holding on. Remember the day we first met and the love we found. Dancing in the darkness, I won't let you run. In your arms, I can't get close enough. When you're around, I get butterflies that never stop. And I know that you're the only one.
Hey you guys, so first and foremost, I want to apologize because I lost the clip of me opening this wig for the first time. It was like a week ago, you guys, when I opened up this wig. But yeah, it wasn't really nothing special. The delivery took about 2 days to get to me. I believe it was regular USPS. And yeah, the box didn't have any logo or anything like that on it. So it wasn't really nothing special. You guys didn't really miss anything. So this is the wig. As you can see, it's a 360 unit. It does have combs on the inside. As you can see, I'm over here trying to cut the lace off, just so you can see how I cut my lace off on camera. But I did mess up, you guys, because I really couldn't see that well. As you can see, I don't have my glasses on, nor do I have my contacts, so it's really hard to see. So I did mess up and cut off more than I expected. Yeah, so, but the wig is still pretty. It didn't, you know, ruin it altogether. I can get around that. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but they did bleach the knots on this unit. And I will have all of the information down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. Did you guys know that Amazon makes wigs? Yeah. The wig is from a company called Fusion Hair, but it's an Amazon store, so the links will be down below. Anyway, this is a full lace wig, so you can part it anywhere. I chose to go with like a side curve part, and I did go in with my foundation just to make it look a little more realistic and to hide the knots that were there. Like I said, they did bleach the knots on this unit in the front, but I just wanted it to look a little more realistic. I did not adhere this wig to my head at all. And you guys know the drill. I always use my curling wand just to flatten out that parting space. So this wig did not come with baby hairs, which is kind of nice, actually. Baby hairs are optional. You can always just add your own baby hairs if you want to. So I didn't have to do much to this unit. As you guys can see, this is what it looks like straight out of the package. I am very impressed with this wig. It's kind of like a little bob. It's a curly texture. And as you can see, all I'm doing is wetting it. All that's in that bottle is water. Just scrunching it up and you are good to go. I did use the combs in the back of the wig. I did adjust the straps, but as you can see, like I said, baby hairs are optional. You didn't have to do this. And I took off my robe so you guys can see, you know, the actual length. This is 14 inches of hair and it's just very, very pretty. I have no problems with this hair. There was no tangling, no shedding or anything like that. It looks super pretty, especially in person. I was like, wow, look at that luster, you guys. And that's not all water. Like, the wig came very pretty and I didn't wet the whole thing. So yeah, that's it. If you guys like this video, if you like this wig, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let me know what you think about this wig down below in the comment section. I'm really anxious to find out you guys' opinion on this wig. I absolutely love it. And yeah, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.